It's so funny. Why is she following us? She likes you. Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Crane.
It's time to go.
Well, aren't you a beautiful crane?
Wow. I think she looks lovely.
She's beautiful.
Huh? Hey.
No, don't put your finger. Never put your finger through. A bird can chop it. Don't put anything through, dude.
She's following you here. Wow.
Okay, as you walk to the other side, let's see if she follows you guys.
AJ, wait, walk back. Oh, look. Walk back.
Yep, she's definitely following you.
No, she's not.
Hey, now you guys are following her. Bye, Crane.